As part of efforts to celebrate excellence, innovation, dedication, and hard work in Nigeria's thriving fintech industry, the Fintech Association of Nigeria hosted the stakeholders to the Maiden Fintech Platinum Awards event at the Oriental Hotel, Lagos. The fintech brought together key players in the ecosystem, from industry players to policymakers. In his opening remarks, the president of the Fintech Association of Nigeria, Mr. Adeolu Bajamo, described the industry as a major driver of digitization that has attracted multi-billion-dollar investments into the economy.
This is a very special award ceremony which celebrates the massive achievements that we've seen in the industry over a number of years. And it's for Nigeria, Africa as a whole. It's an industry shaping the future of the world quite literally. Currently, Africa can boast of some 10 unicorns. A unicorn, of course, is a company valued at $1 billion, of which 7, Jumia, Flutterwave, then Andela, Cheaper Cash, Airtel Africa, OPay, and Interswitch, have Nigerian origin. That deserves a round of applause indeed. And Nigeria by far has the highest number of unicorns in Africa. Similar light, Nigerian startups raised $1.37 billion in 2021, out of a total of $4 billion that was raised in Africa in that year. The growing investor confidence in African fintech reflects the continent's huge potential due to the deepening mobile and internet penetration, a youthful population, increasing consumer sophistication and income, amongst other factors. When you talk about how far fintech in Nigeria has come, you should thank the incredible entrepreneurs and pioneers who have envisioned and executed strategic moves that have now crystallized into strong and growing companies today. It was not always like this. There's a trajectory for us to appreciate. Despite the enormous achievements, we must always look back and appreciate how far we've come in Nigeria as a fintech ecosystem. For instance, fintechs in Nigeria raised about $600 million in funding between 2014 and 2019, compared to over $1 billion raised last year alone, and still growing despite the economic headwinds.
The Minister for Communications and Digital Economy, Dr. Ali Pantami, represented by the Director of Strategy and Planning, Dr. Aristotle Onumo, commended Fintech Nigeria for initiating the awards and called for further collaboration across the ecosystem to deepen activities in the digital economy.
I urge you all to consider this award as a call for them to do more for the fintech sector. And I also commend the Fintech Association of Nigeria, the Board of Trustees, the Governing Council, and all members for instituting this iconic award event to celebrate and sustain collaboration among fintech players and regulators to ensure accelerated growth of the technology in an industry built upon solid pillar of innovation, creativity, and ethical regulation.
Highlights of the Maiden Fintech Platinum Awards was the recognition of achievers across 9 categories, including Dr. Segun Aina, OFR, President, African Fintech Network, Chams Plc, Securities and Exchange Commission, and Mr. Michel Elegbe, GCEO Interswitch Limited, amongst others. The president of the Fintech Association of Nigeria, Mr. Ade Bajamo, some of the award recipients, and other dignitaries speak on the value of the Maiden Fintech Platinum Awards.
This for us really is a way to actually make a mark in the ground about one of the greater things that will come out of Nigeria. You know, 2 things have come out of Nigeria, out of Nigerians naturally, without any support, infrastructure, and all of that. You can guess the first one. Yeah, Nollywood. Then you can guess the second one naturally, Afrobeats. The third one has to be fintechs and innovations in startups. We're changing the narrative about what Nigerians can do. The Nigerian on the street, the Nigerians that collaborate, leveraging our global knowledge intelligence networks to create something far, far bigger and actually innovate beyond all imagination. So this award is the first of its kind, and it's to celebrate those innovators, those trailblazers that have turned this industry, which is not even very well organized at this point, into one of the largest in Africa. So in Africa last year, fintech community raised about $5 billion, and 1.5 roughly $billion of that came to Nigeria alone. We came from nowhere into the largest place. So you can see that we're just at the starting point, really. So we want to celebrate those guys and want to encourage those coming behind. And the whole purpose of FintechNGR is to actually connect, accelerate, and advocate for this nascent ecosystem that we believe is going to be relevant to the economy, it's going to create jobs, and it's going to reposition Nigeria, and it's going to solve problems, leveraging African brains and global partnerships in technology.
This Fintech Platinum Awards is an opportunity to recognize excellence in the fintech industry in Nigeria. As you know, most times we are all talking about new technology, innovation, regulation, risks, frauds, money being made, but we want to promote excellence. We want various participants to strive to be winners year in, year out. And when you look at the various categories of the awards, both from the innovators, I particularly like the Young Woman Award, which was won by a lady involved in AgriTech. And that shows the kind of opportunities. Also to give a platform for young entrepreneurs to launch or to showcase what they've been able to do. Of course, the doyen of the fintech industry in Nigeria, Dr. Segun Aina, was appropriately honored today. So it's the opportunity to recognize institutions, individuals, the experienced and the new entrants. It's a veritable platform, and I congratulate Fintech Nigeria and all my colleagues on the board of trustees for this maiden event. Next year promises to be bigger and better, and it will be a reference for Africa going forward.
So Demola Aladekoma started the company, founded the company some 38 years ago, and we've transformed over the years as well. So now we consider ourselves certainly as a fintech company with a number of fintech subsidiaries. So obviously very honored to have received the award, and very grateful.
What should we expect in the years to come from Chams?
Certainly you can expect a lot. Already we're doing a lot at the moment, and I think you can expect a lot from Chams. Particularly it's not even the future, it is about now. And it is about quite short term, really. So I think you can expect some really good things to come.
Well, I say on behalf of the founders, we're very appreciative. It's good to be recognized for our contributions, obviously, to the fintech ecosystem. And also, we are appreciative of our customers because obviously, without our customers, we won't be where we are. And also happy to be here with our colleagues and fellow fintechs too, who also drive us to be better. So yes, thanks to everyone.
We're very proud. We're very pleased. I mean, it's our participation in the fintech industry has been some time now, and we're so glad to see how the industry has grown and the recognition that has been given to the industry and to the participants in the industry. So it's a good one for us. We're really proud to be part of this.
The initiative of the Fintech Platinum Awards is another laudable effort of the Fintech Association of Nigeria designed to foster innovation and creativity in the industry. This will boost the confidence of an ecosystem that has produced 7 unicorns.